Hello everyone, this is Teacher L, and for today we're going to learn about multiplication of fraction. For our given, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. So as a recap, we identify previously that the number at the top, which is 1 and 3, we call that as a numerator, and the number at the bottom, the number 2, that is our denominator. So for this example, we have choices 5 over 4, 4, 3 over 4, and 2. So for the solution, in multiplying fraction, we just simply multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So for this example, 1 over 2 times 3 over 2, that is 3 over 4. 3 comes from multiplying 1 times 3, that is 3. Then 4 comes from 2 times 2, that is 4. So that is our final answer, 3 over 4, that is letter C. For the next example, we have 4 over 5 times 6 over 5. For our choices, we have 24 over 25, 5, 26 over 25, and 6. So for the solution, 4 over 5 times 6 over 5, that is equal to 24 over 25. 24 comes from multiplying 4 and 6, that is 24. Then 25 comes from multiplying 5 and 5, that is 25. So this is our final answer, that is letter A. For the next example, we have 3 over 5 times 4 over 2. For our choices, 2, 6 over 5, 1, and 5 over 6. Now, pwede nyo rin itry if marunong na kayong mag-multiply ng fraction. So, for our solution, 3 over 5 times 4 over 2, that is equal to 12 over 10. 12 comes from multiplying our denominators, 3 and 4, that is 12, and multiplying denominators, 5 times 2, that is 10. So, since this is divisible by 2, we can turn this fraction into lowest term. So 12 divide 2, that is 6, and 10 divide 2, that is 5. So this is our final answer, letter B, 6 over 5. For our fourth example, we have 1 over 4 times 1 over 7. We have choices 2, 2 over 28, 1, and 1 over 28. So for the solution, we have 1 over 4 times 1 over 7, that is equal to 1 over 28. 1 comes from multiplying our numerators, 1 times 1, that is 1. And 28 comes from multiplying 4 times 7, that is 28. So this is our final answer, 1 over 28, that is letter D. For our last example, we have 3 over 5 times 1 over 9. So we have choices 2, 3 over 45, 3, and 3 over 40. So for the solution, 3 over 5 times 1 over 9, that is equal to 3 over 45. 3 comes from multiplying 3 and 1, so that is 3. Then 45 comes from multiplying 5 and 9. So that is 3 over 45, that is letter B.